If you're a new Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT owner, here's a quick guide on how to remove your freedom panels. We're going to start inside the vehicle. Reach up, flip down your sun visor, and here is your locking handle. Pull that down, and then you have 3 of these cam locks. 1 in the front and 2 at the corners in the back. And now we can just lift up a little bit. Now you can just pull the driver's side off if you're just on your way home from the grocery store or something and you want to enjoy a little sun. But you can also pull that passenger side off. Just remember, the driver's side has to come off first. Now, to keep your freedom panels in good shape, grab your freedom panel storage bag. We're going to unzip that, open it up. Now we lay this piece out and take your first panel, slide it in, and then we're going to lay it down. Make sure that handle is pressed down. Then we take this piece of felt, and then our next panel goes in. So there you have your freedom panels protected and ready for storage. So store them in the back of your Jeep, store them in the garage, wherever you have room until you're ready to put them back in. And then just make sure you get all those latches latched securely. So there you have it, a quick video on how to remove your freedom panels. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.